This video is a thread repair on a Honda CR250 cylinder. This is the hole that had the bad threads. It actually had been helicoiled and the helicoil pulled out. That's the cylinder mounted in my milling machine. That's another picture of the bolt hole before repair, another before repair. The hole was crooked, so instead of drilling it, I used an end mill. A flat end mill won't follow a crooked hole like a drill bit will, so it straightened the hole out. Then I used a 7/16 tap and tapped it out. That's the hole after it's been drilled and tapped. Then I took a 7/16 bolt and screwed it into the hole, Loctited the threads in. Then I sawed the bolt off. And this is where I end milled it flush, and then these head bolts have a flange on them, so the cylinder has a recess where it sits down in. This picture is with the bolt milled down with a 1/2-inch end mill. It's milled flush with the bottom of the recess there. That's another picture of the same thing. This is I drilled the bolt out and then tapped it. These are 8mm by 1.25 metric thread, and that is the finished hole. And there it is with a new stud screwed in, and there's the cylinder with all the studs screwed in.